How to log into ABN AMRO Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I am going to demonstrate on how to log into your ABN AMRO Credit Card online account on your PC. So ABN AMRO is the third largest Dutch bank that provides retail, private, and corporate banking products. To log into your AMRO credit card, start by opening any web browser on your PC, such as Google Chrome, and go to your search bar and type in www.abnamro.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be directed to the ABN AMRO's website. In order to change the language, click on the global icon at the top right corner of the screen and you can either select Dutch or English. And after you do that, scroll down to find various options. Under the customers section, you can see private individuals, business customers, or private banking. Click on the private banking option. Now in this page, scroll down and click on apply for a credit card option. Now again, scroll all the way down and click on credit card online option over here. Click on it. And then on the left hand side of the screen, you can see the option of login to credit card online, highlighted in yellow color. Click on it. And this will eventually take you on the login page. Enter your username and your password in this designated area of username and password. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or this device to remember your credentials, you can click on this option over here. If you're a new user, click on Activate Credit Card Online. And if you have forgotten your username or your password, there is an option to recover them. If you do not have a card yet, you can apply for one. And after entering the correct form of your credentials, click on the Continue to log into your AMRO credit card account. So that's how you can access your AMRO credit card online account. So this concludes the tutorial. I hope you found this video to be informative. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.